Many of the images in the Studio Library or Image Toolbox are complete designs consisting of hardware, trim, and various components, such as this Squire pole swag with the hardware, the swag, jabot, and cascades along with the trim. We'll select this undermounted pickup and open half swag from the Jackie Von Tobel Module 3. Click, hold, and drag, and we'll position this on our photograph, which we have previously changed the drawing scale to match the real-life dimensions. When we do that, it's necessary to resize the treatment. We'll hold down the Shift key and drag the corner edit point, and then center it on the window. Now we're ready to add fabric and fill to the hardware. Let's begin by adding our fabric. Right-click, Properties, Fill, select the Fabric tab, and select the fabric that we've previously loaded. We can also change the line color of our design at this point. Click Line Color, select Color from Image, move this out of the way by placing your cursor on the top bar. Click, hold, and drag the eyedropper tool over to the treatment. And I like to use one of the darker colors in the treatment so that instead of the black we don't have such a harsh color. Click OK. It's just a little bit softer. Now we're ready to select our hardware and also fill the cascades on the contrast lining. Right-click, choose Image Components. You'll see Drapery 1 and 2, that represents the two panels, and then the valance. When you see the little plus sign, it means that there are a group of images under that title. Click on that. You'll see again another little plus sign, and under Cascade you see Contrast. Click on the contrast, then click Fill. Go to the Pattern tab this time, unless you're using a fabric. I'm just using a solid color, and I'm going to select the color from the image. And if I had positioned this next to the drapery, I'd see the drapery fabric, but I can just go down here and touch this. And I can add this to my custom colors if I like. Click OK and OK. Then make sure you click and choose this to replace the fabric that's in the sample box. Click OK. And now go to Cascade 2, Contrast, Fill, Pattern, Background, Custom, and select the color. Finally, we'll do our hardware. And we'll use a texture fill, a wood texture. And we'll do the same thing with the crown. Now you can proceed with breaking apart this rendering if you needed to. You can undo the grouping of the various components and change out the swags or move the cascades, whatever it is you need to do. But always do the image components first. Right-click, Image Components, and fill the hardware in particular, and then any other contrast elements such as the cascades. And previously we have used our photo clip tool to cut out these pieces that are in the way of the drapery. So we'll select those and bring those to the front.